Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to shoot part 3 of the music video that my last vlog was kind of about. This time is a day shoot, not a nighttime shoot with the cars. Got some smoke pellets, like smoke grenade type of things that we can light on fire, and we're basically going over to another city, which is about 30-45 minutes away from me, and we're going to go find these graffiti tunnels over there, which I kind of know about from some previous stuff I did a year or so ago, and we're going to set off these smoke grenades in the kind of graffiti tunnel while this guy is rapping, and this should make for a great third scene. So without further ado, let's go do this music video. He's just laughing about some stupid shit. We're on the train going to Dulwich now to meet up, and then we're gonna get a lift over to the actual city we're filming this thing in. We were meant to film this yesterday, but we got on the train, got 10 minutes into the ride, and got a call saying that my man needed to collect some debts. Didn't really ask too much more information on that topic there. But today we're gonna go do it. Hopefully there's no people that owe money out there today as well. Hysterics, man. Ozzy's in pure hysterics. Oh wait. Alright, we just got to Dulwich, and this dude's not even answering his phone, so we remember where his house is from the last time we just came over here on the last vlog. Just gonna walk up and yell up to his house. Hopefully he actually comes out. Done. Waiting. Waiting. I'm gonna pile them up.
You want to put them over here, man, so the smoke gets trapped in, you know what I mean?
Yeah, true that right there.
Oh, fuck.
Joint or something like that to be smoking while you're fucking doing it. Huh?
You got any weight?
Yeah, I do have a little bit of weed. Hey, that'll be good. We got 4 of them right there, you know? 4 of that? Yeah. Yeah, one of the minis, one of the red.
No, you want to put them all in one pile?
Yeah, definitely.
Burn them, keep going. Alright.
I'll pile them up.
No way, man, so smoke gets trapped in, you know what I mean?
Holy shit. Back at the vending machine.
We can't get to that.
No, we can't. This is where we were stranded the other day, and we're stranded here again for fucking 25 minutes. You can still get the card in.
I know, but it's got the tape over it. I mean, for what reason?
Nah, but look, here you could get the card in. I think the tape's part just because
put my number in it though.
Oh yeah, obviously, shit.
There's no pad there.
That's broken right there. I wanted to get a Luke set.
Why don't you just say like out of order and not just tease it?
It worked! This kid is funny as hell.
Why is it always me?
Back in Tarness. Big bad boy Tarness. Big bad boy Tarness. Finally. Alright, I'm back at the office now. Today was kind of a disaster, to be honest. I can't even lie. We went over there, First off, my man's phone was broken, so we were just basically indulged, walking around. Went to his house, literally went all the way into the house. No one was there. Went, got some food. Then he rang me off someone else's phone. Said he was back at the crib. Went back there. We're waiting to get picked up from these people who were just going to come get us in a car. We were going to go to these graffiti tunnels, which we kind of already planned out and everything like that. People never turned up. So we were waiting for like hours. Just sat there kind of smoking, chilling out. I was alright. I was kind of a little bit entertained, still pretty getting a little bit pissed off, but then we'd been there for about 2 hours. Then I was getting fucking pissed off. So we're just kind of all a little bit annoyed. It's not the dude's fault or anything like that. His friends were just letting him down or some shit like that. We waited there for ages. Then we just decided, fuck it, screw it. We don't need a lift to this other city with the graffiti tunnels we picked out. We're just going to go find something local. Found something okay. Filmed a little bit of it. Then came home. In total, it was like 5 hours when that should have been 2 hour shoot. So, a little bit annoying to be fair, but oh well. To be honest, I'm just going through some of the footage now. I'm just rendering like a rough preview right now of some stuff I'm going through. God damn it. Anyways, boom. Thank you guys for watching another vlog. If you're enjoying the vlogs, tell me in the comment section below. That's the only way I'll actually know if you guys are messing with them. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and goodbye.
She told me that you wanted a bad boy. I told her I'm more than a bad boy. I'm a bad man from a bad land in a bad gang. She liked the way man speaks in a mad slang. She smiles every time my old dance lost when I pull her ever we bang. She told me she feels sick cause I'm a real man. She more than a friend, she a real fan. I'm from a city named Sunderland, brought up with Molly Potts. From the age of 10 I got my tracking buttons tucked in me socks. I remember times me and the boys playing Molly. You might know the game is pigeon toss. Round with the wax shops. Trust me, it's rife. Get down to your last pun, then lost. Shout the liquor, you scum my line at the boss. Them days it was dope bars and Reeboks. Rock parts and Burberry. Northern Raven MC Turbo D. Frosty J 1250 Ds. Go raw boozy for some drink up on the green. Get the munchies, hit up Mr. Lee's. That's what it's all about in the sun and city. In my own neighborhood it was dope lungs and black hoods, no actors, just raw folks. Still active, you not us. Marty Potters, we're rougher than rough, not fucking with us. We're coming in with a mad bunch. All clued up on a mad hunt, leave no trace. Stylish cunt, smile on my face when a slinger runs. Too much hype for the man like pipe down. Don't wanna hear how you and your crowd got the town on lockdown. Cause I come to get ends, wrap things up in no time like pow. I be like let out the hounds. They from cast to my house. I'm inside that bitch right now. She told me that you wanted a bad boy. I told her I'm more than a bad boy. I'm a bad man from a bad land in a bad gang. She liked the way man speaks in a mad slang. She smiles every time my old dance lost when I pull her ever we bang. She told me she feels sick cause I'm a real man. She more than a friend, she my real fan. Fuck all the bad boy talk, yeah, with the chat shit, get banged. The bang now it's all shit that I give it. So I be quick to bang and all 6 figure man I get slapped like 6 women. And you don't need to know how man's living.